Hello, my name is Zanda-Lee and I am 27 years old. One of the many reasons why I believe that I am suitable to be an ESL teacher is because I have been an in-class teacher for the past 7 years while obtaining my degree after hours. I enjoy making learning fun and using a wide range of props and resources. I love using creative ways to teach, and I am enthusiastic about my work. My hobbies include fishing, cooking, baking, and being active. I adore animals and I have a love for plants, all shapes and sizes. Thank you, and I sincerely hope to see you in my classroom. Goodbye.